Getting the correct amount of preload on a fastener is essential. Fastener preload is determined by how much it stretches, as the material's elasticity, like a spring's rebound, generates clamping force. There are a number of important considerations in achieving the desired preload. Reading the instruction sheet is very important, as over the years, improvements in metallurgy, lubricants, and machining finishes can change torque specs and procedures. Copies of all ARP instruction sheets can be found online at arp-bolts.com. Use a special chaser tab that's designed to clean threads and not cut them. Then, use a solvent and brush to remove any debris. A blast of air is added insurance. Always make sure the fastener itself is clean. ARP offers testing in many races and discovered that it's not uncommon for torque wrenches to be off by 30% or more. Test your wrench for accuracy and treat it gently. Never use it like a breaker bar. ARP Ultra Torque has been proven a more efficient lubricant than oil, moly, diesel lube, and others. It assures getting 95 to 100% of the desired preload on the first pull. In addition to lubricating the fastener thread, coat the underside of the bolt head or nut and only the top of the washer. ARP recommends achieving the final torque value in 3 equal stages. For example, 75 foot-pounds of torque could be achieved with settings of 25, 50, and finally 75, and make sure the washer is not spinning. Following these guidelines will help you build powerful and reliable engines. Visit arp-bolts.com and see what's available to improve your engine.